வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 2 சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி 3rd லெசன் ஃப்ரம் சீஃப் டோம்ஸ் டு எம்பையர்ஸ். அந்த லெசன் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அந்த லெசனுக்கான புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸோட ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். First one, the kingdom which was not powerful among the 4 Mahajanapadas. The answer is Magadha. Second one, among the following, who was the contemporary of Gautama Buddha? The answer is Ajatasastru. The option A is the correct answer. Third one, which of the following are the source of Mayuryan period? All. The option D is the correct answer. Fourth one, Chandragupta Maurya abdicated the throne and went to Sarvanvilogala along with Jaina saint. The answer is Bhadrabahu is the correct answer, option A. Das is the ambassador of Seleucus dictator. The answer is Megasthenes, option D. Who was the last emperor of Mayuryan dynasty? The answer is option C, Rihadartha. Next one, match the statement with the reason and tick the appropriate answer. Statement and reason வந்து நம்ம மேட்ச் பண்ணி ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். First one, statement, Ashoka is considered as one of the India's greatest ruler. Reason, he ruled according to the principles of Dhamma. The option A is the correct answer. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Second one, which of the statements given below is correct? The statement 1, Chandragupta Maurya was the first ruler who unified entire India under one political unit. Statement 2, the Arthashastra provides information about the Mayuryan administration. The option B, only statement 2 is the correct. Third one, consider the following statement and find out which of the following statement is or correct. Chandragupta Maurya was the first king of Magadha. Rajagriha was the capital of Magadha. The second statement, option B, only 2 is correct. Fourth one, arrange the following dynasties in chronological order. The option C is the correct answer. Haryanka, Shishunaka, Nanda, Mayurya. This is the correct answer. Which of the following factors contributed to the rise of Magadhan Empire? The answer is 1, 2, and 4 are correct. The option C is the correct answer. Next one, filling the blanks. First one, Dash was the earliest capital of Magadha, Rajagriha. Mudraksha was written by Vishaka Detta. Das was the son of Bidusara Ashoka. The founder of Mayuryan Empire was Chandragupta Maurya. Das were appointed to spread Dhamma all over the empire. Dhamma Mahamatas. Filling true or false. இதில் உங்களுக்கு டோட்டலாக 5 questions இருக்குது. The title Devanam Paya was given to Chandragupta Maurya. False. Ashoka gave a war after his defeat in Kalinga. False. Ashoka Dhamma was based on the principle of Buddhism. False. The lines on the currency notes is taken from the Ramapurva bull capital. False. Buddha's relics were placed in the center of stupas. True. Match the following. Ghana, people, Megasthenes, Indica, Chanakya, Arthasastra, Dharmayatras, religious tours. The option A is the correct answer. Next, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. அதுதான் இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். First one, mention any 2 literary sources of Mayuryan period. Secular literature, Kaitulya Arthasastra, Vishagadatta, Mudraraksha. Religious literature, Vedic, Jain, Buddhist text and Puranas. Second one, what is a stupa? Stupa is a semi-spherical dome-like structure. It is constructed on brick or stone. The Buddha's relics were placed in the center of the dome. Name the dynasties of Magadha. 4 dynasties ruled over Magadha Empire. Harayanka dynasty, Sisuhunaga dynasty, Nanda dynasty, Maurya dynasty. These are the 4 dynasties are ruled over the Magadha Empire. What were the sources of revenue during Mayuryan period? The land was the important source of revenue for the state. The land tax was 1/6 of the total produce. Revenue was taxes on forest, mines, salt and irrigation. Who assisted Nagarika in the administration of towns? Sangha means association for the propagation of his faith. Thanika and Gopa assisted Nagarika in the administration of towns. What do you know from the rock edicts 2 and 13 of Asoka? The rock edicts 2 and 13 of Asoka refers to the names of three dynasties: Pandyas, Cholas, Keralaputras and Satyaputras. These are the three dynasties. Which classical Tamil poetic works for the reference of Mayurians? Mamulkar poem is Aganananuru gives the reference of Mayurians. Reference of the Mayurians. Next one, answer the following in detail. That means brief answer. 5-mark question. Totally they having 2 questions. First question. What did Asoka do to spread Buddhism? Asoka sent his son Mahinda and daughter Sangamita to Sri Lanka to propagate Buddhism. He also sent missionaries to West Asia, Egypt and East Europe to spread the message of Dhamma. The Dhamma Mahamatas were a new cadre of officials created by Ashoka. Second one, write any 3 causes for the rise of Magadha. Magadha was located on the lower part of the Gangetic Plain. The plain was fertile, which ensured the rich agricultural yield. This provided income to the state. The thick forest supplied timber for the construction of buildings and elephants of army. Abundance of natural resources, especially iron, enabled them to equip themselves with weapons made of iron. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த லெசன்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. Thank you for watching my channel.